Don't mind your wicked father. He doesn't know you're still a child. He doesn't love you like I do. Very harsh man.
This is one of the commonest problems that rises up in marriage. Women are naturally emotional, so they tend to paint their husbands bad when they discipline their children. But this is a very, very wrong approach. When a father disciplines a child and the mother immediately says negative things about him, it may feel like she's protecting the child. Most times, she's not trying to hurt her husband. She's reacting emotionally, especially when the child is crying. That reaction is very human. But what happens next is often unseen. The child becomes confused. One parent says one thing, the other says the opposite. The child doesn't know who is right, but one thing becomes clear in their mind. Dad is the bad one. Mom is the safe one. That picture stays with them longer than we realize. Over time, the child starts to lose respect for the father, not because the father is cruel, but because his authority is quietly destroyed at home. The child may start ignoring him, talking back or running to the mother anytime there is correction. This also hurts the marriage. A man who feels disrespected in front of his children slowly withdraws. I've seen this play out so many times. He may stop correcting the child altogether or become harsh out of frustration. Either way, the family pays the price. A healthier approach is unity. If you as a wife disagrees with how your husband handles discipline, that conversation should happen privately, not in front of the child. Children feel safe when they know their parents are on the same team. In front of the child, both parents should support each other. Simple words like "your father wants the best for you" or "we both love you and this is why we are correcting you" go a very long way. Later, behind closed doors, the couple can talk honestly. They can agree on better ways to discipline. They can adjust. That's where growth happens. When parents protect each other's image, children grow up with respect, security, and emotional balance. Discipline then becomes guidance, not fear, and marriage becomes a safe place, not a silent battleground. That unity is not about who is right, it's about protecting the family. So, my dear women, I'm begging you, stop planting bad seeds in the heart of your child because of the way your husband corrects them.